In order to get live wallpapers on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we can go to the Play Store and we can install an app that allows us to get animated wallpapers for free. So if you are looking for some apps that allow you to do so, you can just simply use the search option and then the search field, and you can type something like live wallpapers or something like that. So let's type live wallpaper. There we go. And as you can see, we have many example apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to find animated wallpapers. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. However, feel free to try anything else if you don't like this app. I'm gonna install this one. I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how to find animated wallpapers or video wallpapers actually. So let's give it a try. Once the app is installed, we're gonna open it. Over here, we need to agree to terms of service and continue. Tap on accept in here. We don't have to agree to receive notifications from the app, so we can tap on and not now. Here we have the premium offer, which is not really necessary to use or to buy, so we can close it. Then in here, we're gonna switch to video wallpapers. And as you can see, we have many example apps, many example wallpapers that we can use on our phone. So in my case, I'm just gonna go for the newest category in here, and then we can just try to use any of these video wallpapers. So let's say I'm just gonna choose this one over here. We should have a little preview, and if you like the wallpaper, we should be able to tap on this arrow. Sorry, yeah, it is actually an arrow. This purple button that we have below the wallpaper. And now we have two options. You can either watch an ad and get the wallpaper for free, or you can use credits. And usually one wallpaper costs 10 credits, and usually we get 10 credits after installing the app for the first time. So we can say that the first wallpaper is completely for free. So in my case, I'm just gonna use credits in here. Then we have the option to set video wallpaper, so let's select this option. And then once again, we're gonna tap on set wallpaper, and then we need to choose if you want to set it for the home screen, lock screen, or both. I'm just gonna set it for both. And there we go. Now we should be able to have our animated wallpaper. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.